Hi everyone. ICS has a research theme called Digital Life, which includes our Young and Well CRC, a Centre of Excellence bid called Digital Transformations, and we're also very excited at the possibilities of the new Digital Humanities Research Group. A core element of this theme is how the digital transforms cities, and I explore this in my future fellowship, also working closely with Dr. Sarah Barnes, who's just joined us on an Urban Studies Foundation postdoctoral fellowship, one of only 4 awarded internationally. We both have 3 years to roll out a major programme of research around digital cities, and I'll break this down into 3 areas. The first area is how city councils and government agencies do the digitised city, how they know themselves through their data, how they understand the technologies that shape urban life. My starting point came with Mayor Michael Bloomberg's launch of a digital roadmap for New York, which did everything from crowdsourcing potholes to coordinating Hurricane Sandy relief by crunching Twitter feeds. So cities around the world are waking up the potential of all of this, but we also need to know about the dark side, how data is kept and used securely, making sure this doesn't herald a retreat from publicness and civility, how the interests of global firms such as IBM might both endow us with new technologies at the same time as making off with our data. And I'm doing a close study of IBM's Smarter Cities initiative. The second area which is important to get a handle on, as we know from this morning, is the relationship between universities, cities, and digital innovation. Bloomberg helped set up 2 new universities in New York during his time in office, one for urban technology, the other to train computer scientists. Big projects, big ambitions, and important initiatives. This coming year, I'm analysing their structure, throughput, and vocation, and working out if something like this would work in the Australian context. Do we need these flagship hubs and these schools that have flourished from the endowment system in the US? How do we best link up our product designers, computer scientists, and commerce graduates in a way that allows each to flourish? And how do we make sure that social enterprise and non-profits get a look in among the search for astronomical profits that the next Facebook or Twitter might bring? The third area, Silicon Valley is Mecca. Every year, every month, dozens of Australian entrepreneurs jump on a plane to California, some never to return. It isn't just Australia that worries about this. Almost every major city has a silicon something, a cluster or ecosystem which, theory is, if strong enough, will resist the pull of the valley. In Sydney, it's sometimes called Silicon Beach, centred around co-working spaces such as Fishburners and Harris Street. And incidentally, one of the founders of Fishburners is doing a PhD with me here at UWS and is interested in knowing how UWS might also spin out its entrepreneurial spaces among its graduates, one of the things that Andrew flagged this morning. So, a central element of the fellowship programme is a decentered analysis of what the Valley means in different places around the world, culminating in a monograph at the end of the fellowship. So, broad strokes, hopefully an insight into how cities fit into digital life research at ICS.